let me pay you this small amount. Show me what you got, and I give you what you asked for. Man, get the fuck out of here. Ain't nobody going for that, man. You know what I mean? Today, if you are skilled, don't let nobody undercut your labor. You know what I mean? If you say you worth something, then you worth something. You see what I'm saying? I mean, if it's already past the introduction phase of this, and you've been doing this for some years now, and you say you need X amount of dollars, stand on that, man. You know what I mean? Now, at the same time, you can't ask for something that you're not worth. So if you're not worth that, then that's a different thing. But honestly, don't come to me or call me and say, hey, I see you asking for this, but let me give you that because I'm kind of in the bind, but it'll show me what you got, and I got this and this going. Nah, it don't work like that with me. You know what I mean? Pay me what I asked for. I don't mess with me at all. All gone.